Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Max Logic Solution. Today we are discussing about some best simplification tricks for suits and indices tricks. Okay, these type of problems we have commonly can see in our exams. Okay, what we do? Say if we see these type of problems, it's more difficult, but we can solve these problems using a simple tricks. Okay, for that, here is your first question is root 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 etc. infinity. This is a infinite series because there is a no ending. If there is a ending, it is a finite series. If it is there is a infinite number of square roots. So in this case, we can check with this is the number 2 is inside our square root. So which are the multiples of 2? Then 2 ones are 2, and that is your first step. First you find the multiples of 2. After that you check with which multiple is the subtraction of multiples is 1, which is the difference, which numbers difference are 1, then you take that one only. Okay, in this case the 2 have only one pair of multiple, that is 2 and 1. If we take the difference of 2 and 1, that is definitely 1. That is your second step. First step is you find the multiple of 2, and then you find the second step is you find the difference is 1. If it is 1, then you check with third section is check with is it is positive or negative. If it is the sign is all are positive, then you can take, for if it is positive you can take big number. If it is negative, if it is a subtraction, you can take small number. Okay, then here is plus addition sign, so you can take a big number. So your answer become 2. Answer is 2. Clear? Then you move to your second problem. If you don't get this problem, you just move to the second problem and listen carefully. Then you check with 12. 12 is inside your square root, and we get 12 ones are 12, 4 threes are 12. These are all multiples of 12, but 12 minus 1 is not equal to 1. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 is not equal to 1. Next you check with 4 and 3. The difference between 4 and 3. Difference between 4 and 3 is definitely 1. So you take 4 and 3. These two are, if it is 4, the answer become 4 or 3. Then you check your third step. Third step is, it is addition. So you can take big number. So from this 4 and 3, which is the big number? 4. So your answer become 4. Clear? Then you move to the third problem. What is the third problem? Square root of 72, square root of 72, square root of 72. Okay, then 72. Which multiple is the difference between the multiple is 1? Yeah, then we can take 9. 9 8s are 72, and the difference is always 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Then you move to your third step. There is an addition sign, so you can take 9. So your answer become 9. Clear? Very simple, na? So your fourth problem is you first check with the multiples of 1 1 10. Then we can consider 10 and 11. 10 and 11 is the multiples of 110. Then you check with 11 minus 10 or 10 minus 11. That is not it is a matter here. You check, you can find the difference anyway. 11 minus 10 or 10 minus 11. The difference is also 1. Okay, then you can take the third step. Third step you check with it is a addition or subtraction. Here is definitely it is an addition. So you take the bigger number here. So the answer become 11. Clear? So we move to the second type. Second type is here is subtraction. Square root of 2 minus square root of 2 minus square root of 2. Here is a first type is addition, and second type is subtraction. So we know that the multiples of 2 is 2 and 1. Then we discussed in the first case, here is a 2 and 1. The difference between the second step is 2 minus 1. So that will be 1. So we take, if it is a check with that it is a addition or subtraction, then our second step become, third step become, we check with this addition or subtraction. Here is definitely subtraction. So from our theory, if it is a subtraction sign, we can take small number. So its answer become 1. Answer become 1. Clear? So next one is second problem, 12 minus square root of 12 minus square root of 12 minus square root of 12, etc. So we find the multiples, that is 4 and 3. The difference between 4 and 3 is 1. And next we check with it is a addition or subtraction. Yeah, subtraction. So you take the smallest number. Here the answer become 3. Clear? So next one is 72. Then we know that the multiples are 9 and 8. Then find the subtraction between these multiples are 9 minus 8, that is equal to 1. So we check with it is subtraction and addition. So it is a subtraction. So we check take the smallest one. Answer become 8. Clear? Then you have fourth problem, square root of 110, square root of 100. So all are subtraction. Subtract the square roots. So you take the multiples of 110, that is 11 and 10. Then we can take the difference is also 1. So we can take the smallest one, 11. Okay, the answer become 10. 10 is your smallest number because here is a subtraction. These are the two different types of indices, the square root of infinite series. Clear? If you have any doubt about this problem, please comment on my comment button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Channel name is Max Logic Solution. Thank you.